Hi, my name is BOLINJI. It's with pleasure I present my Android native app. The name of the application is E SciencePrep. As you can see the launcher icon there. I'm going to launch it so that you can see the application launches so fast. Up there you can navigate to the general content, but down here you have a button to also navigate to the general content. You can get you can use the option menu. It pops up the option menu for you to navigate, jump directly to different parts of the application. Wherever you are, you can jump to different parts of the application. I'm going to take the help button. With the help button, you get the audio of the application, the audio help on how to navigate to different portions of the application. I will get into the application by using the button. If I get through the button, as you can see there, it quickly launches and gets into the general content of the application. You can scroll to see. You can even change it to landscape. You will still have the look and feel the same. You can scroll. Let me change it back to portrait mode, and that's it. Let's take the first subject. If I take physics, it takes me to the physics content. You can scroll to different, as well as you can change it to the portrait mode. The application have the same look and feel. You can scroll. Let's navigate into the first topic of physics. That's where the main part of the application, where students get to learn. You can see there, select a topic on your left. You can select a topic. In the topic, the chapter mechanics, you have it divided into sections: physical definitions, physical laws, physical formulae, graphical relations, compare physical quantities, solve example, start quiz. You can scroll down, and when you start a quiz, you can watch video on quizzes answers. Then you have, let me just take us, if I change it to portrait mode, the application looks pretty much the same. That responds to different screen sizes. Let me change it back to landscape, and then if I navigate to the first one there, it takes us to the topic, and each definitions are divided into sections of mechanics. First section, you can actually play the audio. You can play the audio of each section. If you play the audio for the first section, it will give you the definition. The audio gives you a definition of mass, weight, inertia, and center of mass and center of gravity. Let's try out the audio. You can see the audio is playing. Why a student can play just the audio if the student is tired, if the student has been reading through, or the student can just be reading while the audio is off, or can be reading and at the same time listening to the audio. It is in all sections like that. So if I still turn it to landscape, to portrait mode, you see there is no recreation of the application. It responds very fast, because that has been taken care of, so that it should not be recreated slow. It is so fast, so there's high performance with this application. And then we can go to physical laws. It gives you the physical laws under mechanics. That's how all the topics are arranged. You get to physical laws up to, you can get to the physical laws of mechanics. And then you can also navigate to physical formulae under mechanics. It is also divided into sections. You can see nicely designed equations there that actually quickly they are nicely designed, and that gets us to the end of physical law equations. So that's the end. You can scroll. If I change it still to portrait mode, it still responds without any distortion, and so fast, because that has been taken care of in code. Let me change it back to landscape mode. Okay, now in landscape mode, let's still take graphical relations. You can see nicely designed graphs that nicely designed in Android, so you can see the nicely designed graphs there, graphics, and also in sections. Student can follow audio explanation of the graphs. If you look at it so well, they can follow audio explanation of the graph. And if a student is in a topic, like is in a chapter like mechanics, I want to take the quizzes, you don't need to go to quizzes station. You just say take the button here, start a quiz. That takes you directly to the quiz section. You can see them. It takes you to the quizzes of that topic, which you will be instantly evaluated and answers given back to you. Then now, once the answers are given back to you, you can now choose to go to a video. It's good to navigate back, and then you can decide to watch a video of the quiz you took. So that takes you to physics explanation for the quiz answers. So you can navigate into it. It gives you mechanics and the other topics. So actually these videos are kept online. They are kept online. Some are in YouTube, so that once a student has internet connection and wants to get to video explanation, the student gets it. Another feature of the video explanation, which might be of help to the student, is actually Khan Academy videos, which are very helpful in physics, mathematics, and other subjects. Then we have the New Boston tutorials that student can, from this application, navigate directly to such tutorials. So now in the content, main content again, student can go to computer science. There is, you have just like I showed you in physics, the chapters in computer science that the student can navigate to and learn. And then we have mathematics. The student can go to mathematics. You see the chapters in mathematics that the student can learn without navigate to the mathematics. And then I'm looking through the camera to touch the back button. Okay, so you can see the application has its own internal navigation. system. At any portion, even here, you can take the option menu. You can scroll this option menu to jump directly to different sections of the application. And then you can jump directly to different sections of the application using the option menu. Let me take it off. Okay, so then other things apart from mathematics, physics, you have quizzes. You can navigate where I took you to. You say physics quiz. If you were out of the application and you are coming in and not in a topic, you can navigate through this way and get to the quizzes. You see, it takes us back to the quizzes. Then you can also navigate to quizzes in computer science and information technology. It takes you still to the quizzes, as well as you can navigate to it from the different topics. Then we take the one mathematics. It takes you to the quizzes on mathematics. So that's the application. And let me take you back to the general content here. There is a possibility for a student to also take down, using the application, take down his or her own notes in class or in a study group. So as you can see there, then video explanation going directly. Then there is possibility to search from the application, search the web. Then the student has possibility to email the author, so that if there's something we can change or we can add to. I think that's it for this application. You can see it has its own internal navigation completely. Here you have see the option menu, which the option menu of the application. You can scroll. So that's it. I thank you for taking your time to watch this video. The application shall be completed and be on the Google Play Store for the world. Thank you so much.